Additionally, as I walk around the community, you know, you talk to residents and you find that as we all walk this campaign route out there, we find that individuals that may be campaigning, like Rita and Sylvia, they go door to door and they make statements that are perhaps totally reckless and false to residents. And so I'm going to put both you, Rita, and you, Sylvia, on notice right now that both of you have made statements. You, Rita, have made a statement to a resident that was totally reckless, false, and I have an affidavit coming. And I'm going to tell you better go see your attorney, because I'm going to put a defamation of character upon you, because you're not going to go through this community and say things that are untrue. If you want to deal with the facts, then we deal with the facts. I know that you guys are getting desperate up there, very desperate in this election. And you probably are trying to figure out ways to attack Joe Migliorini. It's not going to work. And don't look like that, Sylvia, because...
Well, this is so ridiculous, Joe. Do we need to have
Sylvia,
a...
this is my time to speak, and you can speak at whenever time you're allowed to speak.
Well, just let me say this.
Sylvia,
no.
Sylvia, this is my time to speak.
Joe.
Sylvia, sit back.
You're threatening us, Joe.
I'm not threatening you. I'm giving you a fact.
No,
I'm
sir.
telling you a fact.
And you have been going to houses with my signs and asking people why they have my sign in their yard. You personally.
Listen.
So we don't get into an argument.
I'm gonna say that I have time to speak here, and then you can speak and say what you want, Sylvia. My point is this, Sylvia, you published today out on the website something that occurred when I was mayor, and your supporters had put an allegation against me about something that happened in my subdivision when I was the mayor about a planning issue. But you said that I left the city under corruption.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did. It's in your,
No.
it's on your Facebook. So I'm going to tell you something, Sylvia. That borders on defamation, because you have no fact of any corruption that occurred. I left here in 2001 to become the director of development of this county. Why would you think that the county executive would want to take me down to Summit County to oversee this entire county as the director of development? Because I was corrupt? Is that it, Sylvia? Come on. Tell me, Sylvia,
Well,
what's the story?
You don't want me to talk, so...
I don't want you to talk. You're right, I don't want you to talk, because
So
when you talk, you don't make sense. So I don't want you to talk.
Time's up.
No, who said my time is up?
The lady that keeps talking, so I can't hear what you're saying.
That's okay.
That's who keeps talking.
Thank you.
All right.